Squidward.
Yellows and look like SpongeBob. You still rock bottom at the bus stop, bitch. Squidward nose up in your hole. Dick in the sandy cheek, she touch her toes. Leaning like the tower of pizza. Eating my crusty crab pizza. I forget, bitch, I don't need her. Someone get Patrick a t-shirt. Shout out my nigga, no t-shirt. Hey, I just pop 5 addies, 2 hands in my kelp shit. Wash it down.
Oh, yo, what up, YouTube? I just found this crazy glitch. Alright, it's a crazy glitch. It might not be a glitch, it might be a glitch, but in my book, it's a glitch. Glitch can benefit you and not benefit you at the same time, because either way, you have to take damage for this glitch to work. Guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Now, as you can see, to do this glitch, you need at least 2 NPCs. They have to be different. They can't be the same NPCs. And when you bring them by each other, as you can see, they start fighting each other. And if you let them fight enough for long, then they'll end up killing each other off. But you won't get XP unless you hit them before they kill each other. Alright? But they have to hit you to damage the other NPC. Guys, I gotta understand that. They have to hit you first to damage the other NPC. Alright? Thanks for watching.
Joey, that boy with a bomb. Play on me like I'm slow. He said if you wanna flex, little boy in the trunk. I just been off of me. Going through that green. Used to be your girl. Now that bitch my vibe. Never chill like a track me. Never chill like a track me. So what the fuck it tell us stop that? I know what killer the boy top back. I gotta do it when I do it. Move if you ain't doing it, nigga, get the fuck back. I gotta do, I got me with a body. Think I don't have my hair raised right now.